Welcome back to my channel, Positive Mindset. Hey guys, take a look at the blue sky, the white cloud, and the green trees. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that beautiful? Look here, you can't tell me that nature is not the greatest beauty that the one eyes can see. Okay? Anyway, let's talk about investment. Okay, today I want to talk to you a little about index fund. I talk a lot about various kind of investment, various kind of portfolio, IRAs, 401ks, 457, 403b, mutual fund, all of that. Today, let's talk a little about index fund because I've not talked about it that much. Okay? So now, what is an index fund and how it functions? So the main aim of an index fund primarily is an investment strategy used to mimic the return of the market, especially the S&P 500. And that is why when it's come to index fund, it's tend to be passively managed. Don't need for a fund manager to buy and sell asset daily to outperform the benchmark. That is what mutual fund do. You see, an active mutual fund tend, and the aim of it is outperform the index and other benchmark, right? An index fund try to stay at least within line of that benchmark, at least within line of that S&P 500. Okay? So, it's really a nice way to start your investment portfolio. It's also offer diversification, which is great for your investment. Unlike you have all your money dumped in one share, like say for example, one company like Apple, one company like Tesla, in an index fund. Some of the functionality of it is just like a mutual fund. Just have some form of similarities. Not with the high fees and so on, but as I mentioned. But with your index fund, instead of just invest in two companies, you invest sometimes in hundreds of companies. That's what your money doing, right? As I mentioned, the diversification, right? So I just want you to know, people, don't think that when it's come to investment, is really require a lot of money, a financial degree, or it would require like hours of you just staring and doing your charting. No, 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 no. You put that money there and you just have it on autopilot. And we're going to talk about that in a minute. So instead again of betting on one single company, you have many, many different companies. Your money like it's buying tiny little pieces of share in hundreds of companies. Okay? So that should give a little more comfort, right? So now, overall with an index fund, when the market grow, when the economy grow, your portfolio grow. And over the years, index fund been doing very well. Okay? So it's something that you should consider starting a little portfolio. Now, always remember this. The past performance of any investment is not an indication that the future going to be the same or better. Sometimes investor may lose money. But take a look at this. Listen to this carefully. If you have money over the years in a savings account, average 0.5%, and you put in money, when it's come to inflation, don't you hear losing money? Losing a lot of money, right? And if you look over the years with investment or index fund, you be the judge. You see which one perform the other. Okay? Now, here is 3 areas I want to tell you when it's come to index fund, what you really want to look into. You want to choose a reputable, low fee brokers. Do some research. Do some research. One. Second, you want to open a standard brokerage account. The third, you want to link your bank account so you can transfer affordable amount. Something that you can afford on a monthly basis. What that call? It called dollar cost averaging. It's basically mean that because you're an automatic purchasing, the share that you purchase, that share is at a lower cost. It's benefit there. Google dollar cost averaging. Okay. One of the things you also want to do is do some research. Go on Bankrate best online brokers, and you can compare different brokers and see which one you feel more comfortable with. Right? But this is something you can start to do. Do some research and get on it. The sooner you start to invest, the sooner your money start to grow, especially for the long term, the better it will be for you. So that's all I have for you today. Let's go.